Have you ever found yourself trying to write a function in TypeScript only to feel completely lost? It can be overwhelming, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to create a pipe function in TypeScript. I totally get it. Writing functions in TypeScript can be tricky, especially when you want to maintain type safety. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face the same challenge when transitioning from JavaScript to TypeScript. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "How do I write a pipe function in TypeScript with types?" They provided a JavaScript example and want to know how to adapt it for TypeScript. Sound familiar? Let's tackle this together. So what exactly is a pipe function? In simple terms, a pipe function allows you to compose multiple functions together, passing the output of one function as the input to the next. In TypeScript, we can enhance this by adding type information to ensure everything works smoothly. And stick around. At the end, I'll share a pro tip that will make your TypeScript coding even more efficient. To begin, the user needs to define the pipe function in TypeScript. This involves specifying the types for the input and output of the function. Next, the user should define the individual functions that will be piped together. Each function should have a clear input and output type. Now, the user can create a new function by using the pipe function with the previously defined functions. This will allow for chaining the functions together. Finally, the user can call the piped function with an initial value to see the result. This will demonstrate how the functions work together. Fun fact, the concept of function composition dates back to the early days of mathematics. It's amazing how these principles apply to programming today. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests that typing a pipe function in TypeScript can be tricky. They mention that while it's not possible to define a pipe function for every length, you can create a flexible solution using a promise-inspired approach. This method allows you to chain functions together, similar to how promises work. Additionally, the user provides a more complex example that allows for a flexible number of functions in the pipe. However, they caution that this method can become messy and is not recommended for production use. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always define your function types explicitly in TypeScript. This practice not only helps prevent errors, but also makes your code much easier to read and maintain. And there you have it. You've successfully created a pipe function in TypeScript. Remember, type safety is your friend. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more coding tips, and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into TypeScript.